Francine Bright, the site manager and realtor for October at Fair Downs here in October. And today is day 4 of our 31 days of giveaways. Remember, I told you all to go to www.octoberatfairdowns.com and register to win. We're giving away a prize a day, and today we're going to celebrate our community here in Suffolk and give away a gift certificate to a local restaurant. Remember, go to www.octoberatfairdowns.com and register to win. We have a lot of properties out here for sale. We have 4 different types of homes. We would love for you all to go to the site and see our properties, but we also want you to win. All right, let's pull the name for today. Today 4, Community Day for Suffolk, a local restaurant gift certificate. I'm not going to look. I'll put my hand in. Let's see. Hold on. We have room for everyone. Also, at the end of the month, we're putting all the contestants back in, or the registrants back in, to win an iPad 2. Okay, I pulled it. Rhonda Jones. Rhonda Jones, you're the winner for day 4. Give me a call here at the site, 757-923-9050. Again, 757-923-9050. Congratulations, Rhonda Jones. Take care.